Computer monitor. How a computer works. Monitor display information using pixels, tiny lights emitting dots. Electrical signals from the video card are processed by the monitor, illuminating each pixel with a specific color and brightness. The internal circuitry controls the intensity of each pixel, creating the image, video, and another outputs you see on the screen. Use of a computer monitor. The primary use of the computer monitor is to provide a visual interface for interacting with a computer. View and interact with software application. See the output. The computer programs, edit documents and image, watch videos, and play games, browse and internet. Conclusion. The computer monitor is a fundamental part of the computing experience, providing the visual pathway that interact with and utilize the power of the computer. The choice of monitor types depend on individual needs and budget balancing factors like resolution, refresh rate, and price. Computer mouse. How a mouse works. Early mice used mechanical rollers or ball to track movements. Modern mice predominantly use optical or laser sensors to detect movement and translate it into digital signals for the computer. These sensors track the mouse's movements across a space even without a mouse button. Use of a computer mouse. The mouse primary function is to control the cursor interact with the computer's GUI. Pointing and clicking, selecting an icon, text, and another object, dragging and dropping, moving files or objects around the screen, scrolling, navigating through long documents or web page.